أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله صلى الله على محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم. Dear our students, welcome today with our new lesson at our English course. Today, inshallah, we will continue to study Unit 4. Today, inshallah, we will study in our workbook. So I want all of you open your workbook, page 28. Page 28. Unit 4, Lesson 6 in workbook. Now, exercise 1. Complete sentences from A to E with words from the list. Okay. Yes. We will use these words from the list to complete the sentences. Bar, clothing, glass, grain, item, piece, and slice. Yes. Point A. Some people like ice and a of lemon in their water. Yes, exactly. We can say slice. Slice. Point B. I'm reading a book about using a computers more efficiently. It contains some very useful of advice. Yes, we can complete by using pieces. Point C, the storm broke 6 panes of in my office windows. We can complete by using glass. Glass. Point D, the last item of I bought was a white shirt. We can complete by using clothing. Clothing. Yes. Point E, everyone was very hungry. There were only a few of rice left in the dish. We can complete by using grain. And now, exercise 2. Complete the following sentences with your own ideas using the contrast words in brackets. Let's go to C. Yes. Our teacher didn't give us any homework for the holiday. Use, however. Yes, we can say, however, we did much of the housework. Okay. Yes, our teacher didn't give us any homework for the holiday. However, we did much of the housework. Now, point B. I kept in touch with him through emails. Try to use although. Yes. Although my friend moved to a remote area, I kept in touch with him through emails. Point C. I arrived at the meeting on time. You in spite of. You can say, in spite of the bus being an hour late, I arrived at the meeting on time. Point D, It's a very remote area. Try to use but. Yes, we can say it's a very remote area, but it has a beautiful nature. Now, exercise 3. Write a sentence of your own using each of the words below with some, much, or many. Okay. Yes. Money. My brother has too much money. Suitcase. There are many suitcases in your room. Sugar. I need some sugar to make a cake. Postman. There are some postmen in the post office. Service. We offer many services for our community. Wood. I need some wood to start a fire. Computer. There are many computers in our school. And now, yes, we use some to talk about. Yes, we can use countable and uncountable nouns. For example, I made some money running. He played some records for me. Okay. And now, exercise 4. Complete this conversation with a and the. Okay. Yes. Maybe sometimes we will put X. That's mean no article. Okay. Now let's go to see the answer. What does your father do? He's an accountant. Does he work in an office? Yes, it's in the city center. Do you prefer letters or emails? It depends. I wrote an email to one of my friends this morning, but at the weekend I wrote a letter to a relative who lives in, yes, with England. We will not use any article. Okay. I only write emails these days. I can't remember the last year I wrote. Have you got a pen I could borrow, please? I want to leave a note for my parents. Yes, here you are. Do you need a sheet paper and an envelope? No, thanks. And now, my dear students, I want all of you open your workbook, page 29, exercise 5. Choose the right form of the verb. Yes. Either he or they going to kill the problem. Yes. We can use, yes, are. Exactly. Yes. Now, point C, neither my aunt nor my grandfather wants to come to the celebration. Both my father and my brother, yes, intend to finish the project. Point E, neither Jamila nor the other students believe in last minute. Okay. Point F, either the manager or their assistants. Exactly. Have exactly the situation already. And now, exercise 6, expand the following sentences using either or, neither, nor, or both, and without changing their meanings. Now, point A, for some reason, Ahmed or Walid's numbers aren't in my phone book. Okay. For some reason, neither Ahmed nor Walid's numbers are in my phone book. Point B, Samira and Salma started a degree in medicine last year. You can say both Samira and Salma started a degree in medicine last year. Point C, next season's Premier League will be won by Liverpool or Arsenal. Next season's Premier League will be won by either Liverpool or Arsenal. And now, the last point, point D, the long distance charge will have to be paid by, yes, the caller or the receiver. Okay. Yes, exactly. We can say the long distance charge will have to be paid by either the caller or the receiver. And now, my dear students, exercise 7, what would you say in the following situations? Yes, I want all of you thinking carefully and try to write the correct answer. A, you have, yes, dialed the wrong number. Yes, you can say, I'm sorry about that. I must have dialed the wrong number. Point B, you are talking on the phone to a friend, but now you can no longer hear them. Yes, you can say, hello, can you hear me? I can't hear you. Point C, the postman has given you a letter addressed to somebody else. And say, excuse me, the letter that you gave me doesn't belong to me. You must have delivered it to the wrong address. Point D, you think you have been given the wrong change at the post office. You can say, I'm afraid that I have been given the wrong change at the post office. And now, my dear students, I think we reached to the end of our lesson today. Thank you very much for your watching. See you next time, inshallah. This is Mr. Muhammad Ahmed. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.